In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a YouTube planner in Notion. We're going to set up a simple, reliable system that keeps your ideas organized, your production workflow clear, and your upload schedule consistent. Open Notion and create a new page dedicated to your channel. Add a new database. Using a full-page table works great, and name it something like YouTube Planner. This database will be the home base for every video you plan. Next, set up the columns you'll need. The first column is your video title. Notion makes this the main title property automatically. Add a status column using a select property so you can move your videos through your workflow. Create an upload date column with a date property to lock in deadlines and publish days. Add a thumbnail column. Use Files and Media if you want to upload image drafts, or use a URL if your thumbnails live elsewhere. Finally, add a video type column, also a select or multi-select, for categories like tutorial, review, or short. Keeping these properties consistent will make everything easier to filter and scan later. Now define your workflow stages in the status options. Add idea, script, recording, editing, and published. These stages map directly to how your video moves from a spark of inspiration to a finished upload. As you work, you'll move each entry through these stages, which gives you an at-a-glance view of what needs attention. To visualize the process, switch your database to a board view and group by status. You'll see columns for each stage, and you can drag video cards from idea to script and onward to published. Then add a calendar view that uses the upload date. This gives you a calendar of your content and helps you avoid gaps or overlaps in your schedule. Click into any video entry to store everything related to that video in one place. Draft your script, jot down research notes, paste links to references, and drop in thumbnail ideas. Keeping all your materials inside the video page makes production smoother and cuts down on context switching. Use the upload date to track deadlines and publishing dates. Add dates as soon as you're confident, and update them if timelines shift. Consistency matters on YouTube, so let the calendar guide your pace and keep your status accurate as tasks get done. Finally, update the planner regularly. Add new ideas as they come, move cards forward as you make progress, and review upcoming dates to manage your pipeline. A few minutes of upkeep each week keeps your content machine running and your future ideas organized.